Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cinnamoroll as a wizard from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute Cinnamoroll, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. Nice and big. Come down and go back up. And then now that we have this one oval, I'm going to come across nice and wide, say about right here, and draw another one. Just going to drag it across, make sure I'm approximately the same. There. So now that the eye's in, I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw the mouth. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and wobble this flattened out W right in the center. There. And then of course the eyes are like a blue, so that's color that in. I'm not going to do that with a Sharpie for sure. Okay, and then also there's cheeks right here, so definitely add that when you're coloring. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and use the eye as our guide. I'm going to come to the top right here and come out. Let's say about right here. Give myself a point, and same thing on the other side, about the same amount of space. And we're going to start to draw our Squishmallow shape. So I'm just going to come right here and come down with a curve and widen it out, and then we're going to bring it down. There. Okay, so then let's go up now. So let's say right here, we're going to go in a little bit more, and say about right here. I'm just going to go from there. I'm going to drag this point across, since it's just easier for my hand, and to draw it down on this side. There. Then from there we need to draw the hat. So I'm going to come right here. Now that these 2 points are about the same height, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to create our wizard hat. So nice curve all the way across. Just pop it out a little bit, and then from there let's go up. Just going to give it a little curve, and same thing on the other side. Let's say about right here, and curve down. Then from there, go ahead and connect it. Another curve right there, and then we're going to go up. So let's find your center, go up nice and high, let's say about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and go towards my point with a curve, round off the tip, and bring it down. There. So nice, simple wizard's hat. And then at the top, we can add a star. So I'm just going to come right about here and draw in my 5 points. Right at the top. Then let's see, then about right here, we're going to add a band. So I'm just going to draw curve across. I think there's another one right here. And there's a bunch of tiny stars up here. So I'm just going to lightly draw some stars here to make it extra magical. And maybe another one here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and let's bring this down for our Squishmallow shape. So we're going to start to bring it in. And I'm not going to bring it down too low. Let's say it's about right here. And let's go ahead and connect it at the bottom. So we're flattening out the bottom and connect. And we'll bring this up a little bit. Kind of fell down. Okay, a little bit better. So now that we have that, let's separate the head from the body. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, and I'm going to drag this across just so it's easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm going to draw a curve going all the way across. There. So we've separated. Oh, you know what? Before we do all that, let's draw the ears so we know for sure this is Cinnamoroll. So right in this spot right here, we're going to pop the ears out, give it a little curve right here, and then we're going to dip and curve it out and bring it in. So same thing over here. Give it a little curve. Try and match the other side. And I'll just drag this across. So I'm approximately, well, you know what? It doesn't matter because we can flop this one in a slightly different direction if we need to. So we're going to end it about right here. And connect. There. Okay, and then from there, let's start to draw the wizard's outfit, the wizard outfit. So come back to your center right about here in this area. I will give myself a point right about here, and I'm going to create this rectangular clasp. Well, I'm not sure what it's called, but we're just going to draw this rectangle right here, and I'll give it a little edge. So just draw another one right here, and then we're going to come out to draw the collar. I'm going to come down to go right here and then go up. There. So same thing on the other side. And I'll just drag this across so that I'm approximately right here. Oops, and back up. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw the little pouch for our wizard right here. So in this area, at an angle, I'm just going to draw this little rounded off rectangle to create our little bag of magic. And then let's add a heart right here, and then put in a curve, and then we need to draw a curve connecting all of this. So come right about here, we'll drag this across, approximate, and thicken it up. So I've got my curve in, I'll just follow whatever I drew. There. And let's see if I'm missing any. Oh, and then some stars right here on the outfit as well. Another one here. And let's see. And do I need any more? Okay, let's just leave it at that for now. But that is pretty much it for this drawing here of Cinnamoroll as a wizard from Squishmallows. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out and that I helped you draw fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.